Hello. For this week, we're going to look at budgeting. Budgeting is a very important skill when you come to university. So we would like to put you in the shoes of a Warwick student, and so you can experience what it's like to meet your day-to-day needs. So what's a budget? Put simply, a budget is the difference between how much you have and how much you spend. So how much you have is your income, and how much you spend are your expenses. And then we take your income, subtract your expenses, and that gives us your budget, how much money you've got left. So the budget is usually calculated monthly, but it can also be a yearly budget. You can have a daily budget, a weekly budget. So this week, we are putting you in the shoes of a Warwick student, but we are not going to talk too much about the tuition fees. Usually when we speak about university, we get a bit scared about the tuition fees. They're a big amount of money that the government gives you at the beginning of your studies to cover the cost of your tuition fee, and then you repay it once you start working. So because you start repaying once you work and you earn above a certain amount of money, we're not going to take that into account for this game, because it would not affect how much money you have each month during your studies. Also bearing in mind, it's good to bear in mind that the amount of money, you only repay it if you work, you only repay it if you are earning above a certain amount of money, and you're not repaying it all in one go. You'd be repaying a certain amount each month, and that amount is usually quite small. For example, if you earned approximately £28,000 a year, you might be charged around £16 a month to repay. So we're not going to talk about how to repay your tuition fee here. What we are going to look at is how to budget, so you can use the student maintenance loan that you might get from the government, and different other ways of and help that you can get to maximize your income, and then how you can spend then that money to meet your day-to-day needs. So to play this game that we have for you, you will need to click on the link on the main page and also download our budget calculator, which is a spreadsheet that will help you calculate your budget. So once you've opened the spreadsheet, you will see that at the bottom there are 4 tabs. The first tab will help you calculate your income, so how much money you have. The second tab will help you calculate your expenses, how much money you spend. The third tab is an optional one, which can help you calculate more accurately how much money you spend on food each week. And then the last tab will automatically calculate your budget. So when you fill tab number 1 and 2, it will automatically give you how much money you've got left at the end of each month on the last tab, so the budget tab. So have a go, download the spreadsheet. You can do the game as many times as you want, trying different options, seeing how you can maximize your income, how you can reduce your spending, and have a go and experiment what it's like to be a Warwick University student. So good luck with that, and we look forward to seeing you for our last challenge next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.